Welcome. In this video, I'll answer the question, how long does it take for Vistaprint to ship? All right. Or for example, you wanted to select a product right here, maybe a business card. When you click on an item, right, and scroll down, as you can see here, it says, get it as soon as Monday, September 8th to the specific country code, all right, or postal code. As you can see here, the date today is September 2. So for 6 days, I'll be able to receive this specific item. That's how you check it. If you're asking, where does Vistaprint ships? Well, Vistaprint ships from numerous locations globally. Specific shipping origin points are not publicly listed, but they operate production facilities in various countries to facilitate printing and delivery to customers worldwide. Okay. Now you could also check the expected delivery date upon checkout right here. As you can see, I've ordered this free card sample kit, and it says I'll be receiving this one in Tuesday, September 16th. Okay. This is upon checkout. Now shipping costs are based on the items in your order and your delivery location. As I've said earlier, it will be found under the product pages and at checkout. And here, as you can see, for economy, it delivers as soon as 8 business days, and for standard, 6 business days. Express right here for 3 business days, and rush 2 business days. You'll be able to select one of these options upon checkout as well. And it states here, all delivery times above include production and shipping. For high volume orders, additional fees will be applied to shipping cost for the following items. Now it says here at the bottom, some Vistaprint products and destinations may not be eligible for all shipping speeds. International pricing right here, Puerto Rico and international pricing. Economy, same 8 business days, and standard, the same as well, 6 business days. It says here are the available international destinations: Austria, Belgium, Switzerland, and so on and so forth, including United Kingdom. Same goes to Alaska. 8 business days for economy, standard 6. Fortunately, you have express option for Alaska and Hawaii. All right, but that's it. That's how long Vistaprint takes to ship the products to you. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.